Snapchat to launch a new shortcut feature that will let the users send their snaps to multiple in a single tap. For this, they don't even have to make a group chat separately. But now, sending snaps to multiple people has become easier. You just have to create a shortcut and select the friends as your wish and send your snaps to them. So let's go to the camera. So I'm going to take my photo. And then you press send to in the bottom right hand corner. From here to bring up shortcuts. And to recover it you have to press this search bar at the top where it says send to. And as you can see, create shortcut shows up under it. So to create a shortcut you press create shortcut. And then you choose the people you'd like to be in this shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a few people. You have to choose a single emoji to characterize this shortcut. So I'm going to choose emoji up top and choose any emoji. And then press create shortcut. So you have created a shortcut and it's showing up right at the top of this screen. So in order to use the shortcut you just press on it. And then you choose the people. And then you send in the bottom right hand corner. So that is how you use shortcuts.